Today we're traveling to the gem of Scandinavia, Norway. Known for its breathtaking nature, northern lights and forest-covered mountains, Norway is a country full of wonders. Let's discover interesting facts about Norway that you might not know or are curious to learn about. Geography and nature. Norway is located in northern Europe, on the western side of the Scandinavian peninsula. Its long and narrow shape creates thousands of kilometers of incredible coastlines and fjords. Fjords are deep, narrow inlets created by glaciers, and they capture the attention of every tourist who visits Norway. One of the most famous fjords is the Geirangerfjord, which is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. Norway's northern regions, especially Tromsø, are some of the best places in the world to see the northern lights. From November to March, visitors can come to Tromsø to experience the vibrant colors dancing in the sky. People travel from afar to witness this rare and beautiful phenomenon, as the northern lights are one of nature's most captivating displays. Quality of life and living standards. Norway is one of the top countries in the world for quality of life. Education and healthcare are free, and citizens have access to high-quality services. The country is also known for its social security system and clean, environmentally friendly environment. The capital city, Oslo. Oslo is the heart of Norway and the country's political, economic, and cultural center. The city is modern and surrounded by natural beauty. Oslo's Viking Ship Museum, Munch Museum, home to Edvard Munch's famous The Scream, and Norwegian Folk Museum are popular attractions. The city also has winter sports activities, making it a year-round destination for tourists. Norwegian culture and traditions. Norwegian culture is rich in arts, customs, and traditions. The annual National Day on May 17th is a celebrated event where Norwegians dress in traditional attire and participate in parades across towns and cities. Renowned artists like Edvard Grieg and Edvard Munch have contributed to Norway's international reputation in the arts. Norway in Viking history. Norway is known for its Viking heritage. From the 8th to the 11th centuries, Vikings from Norway explored and conquered parts of Europe and beyond. The Viking Ship Museum in Oslo provides a deep look into this powerful history, showcasing ancient ships and artifacts. For the Vikings, seafaring and exploration were central to their way of life. An unforgettable journey to Norway. Norway is a unique destination that combines nature, history, and modern comforts. Here, you can witness the northern lights, learn about Viking heritage, and immerse yourself in breathtaking landscapes. Norway is an amazing travel destination, offering each visitor a truly unforgettable experience.